Here it is. Juanico will do it again. Here's the shot. No! It's with the... Oh! Turn around! Turn around! Wait. Referees will review. Let's not preempt the referee. Let's wait for their official review. All right. Take a look at this replay. And here's the decision. Here's the... Okay, look. Look at the time on this. Look at the time left. All right, here's a better angle. This. Okay, so now there was a foul just before the final buzzer. So now Tocabin can win the game outright with these free throws. With 0.3 of a second. Oh! So now, Nueva Ecija on top, 125-124. One more free throw for Renren Tocabin. And now, let's see. Oh, he misses. That's it. So, after 2 overtimes, 58 minutes of basketball, we have a winner. Congratulations to the Nueva Ecija Granary Buffaloes. They win